Hello student, the question asked in SSC CGL 2025 and same type of question asked into the this Infosys in a puzzle section. So we can see this block. So if we check the horizontally means the row wise, so 7 3 become 11. So first what we are doing, first we do the multiplication of the first two numbers. 7 3s are 21, and next 7 plus 10 minus 7 plus 3 is 10. So if we do the subtraction of the two, first do the multiplication of this 7 into 3 minus 7 plus 3, so it become 11. Same logic we apply here. 4 9s are 36 and 9 plus 4 is 13. So 36 minus 13 is also 23. It means this logic is applied. The first we multiply the first two number and addition of the first two number, and we have to take the difference between them. So this is the third column answer. So same logic we apply for this third row. So 7 into 11, 11 sevens are 77, and this 11 plus 7 is 18. So what we get, this 9 and 5, 59. So we will go with the B option, 59. First to multiply and then addition and take a difference between them, so we get the third column answer, 59. I think it is clear to everyone. Thank you.